What's going on, you beautiful people? My name is Sergiu Popescu and I do daily vlogs. So currently I'm waiting for Lucas to come and go smoke some shisha. Enjoy the vlog, guys. So put a smile on your face and keep it up throughout the day. Rudy, what's up, my boy? Huh? How are you? So hello again. Hello. Não gosto. So mine. I want. Take two. So we are going to have a hugag right now.
To have a hugag.
Yeah, very good hugag. Yeah, we're going to hugag actually.
In English no best.
My English is very good, and we are gonna go have a hugag at hugag, eat sushi.
My English no best. Later bring back terror Pakistano. Thanks on Dileo.
My English is very good, so please don't talk to me like this.
Thanks on Dileo. Then be as to scholium pote. Then nema fa grammato. Zero metroso mono.
My friend good English. My English very good.
Camera na liso ligo. Zero mono metros. Zero mono metriso sto tria dasra benda. Kön deng zero kadialo.
Put the camera higher at least.
Deng zero yani o tigi.
Drive, my friend, drive the car.
Mimo bis pod now the years of vile. Go to Pakistan no to taxi trio limera
If I die today, it's because of him.
No, he. Go polikalo digima. Polikalo digima. Go polikalo digima. Polikalo digima.
Guys, I promise to you that one day I'm gonna have this car. Trust me, mark my words. Maalarga andelera sila. Allora. So I have ordered a waffle with Nutella. I haven't eaten like a waffle in a long time, so because I came with Kim, Lucas, I made an exception today. Ah, it's okay, man. Thank you. So here's the waffle, finally. So I had a waffle. He will have apparently cheese stove, like meat with I don't know, it's Arabian food, I think so. I think it's pork. There it is. How was it at the hugag, man?
Perfect, Malaga.
Did you like it? How was the food?
Really good.
Yeah, I know. I really like the food. The chef there, probably he's not super, I don't know. I should like meet him someday because the food is actually very, very good. So I'm gonna go home right now. He's gonna take me home actually. His beautiful, beautiful car. And good morning, guys. So it's currently the next day. Woke up in a very, very, very good mood, and I wish you all guys a happy and productive day. And remember that you should put a smile on your face and keep it up throughout the day. So apparently there's no food at home, which I didn't know. My mom didn't tell me she's not gonna cook anything, but that's okay because I will just go out and buy something to eat because I'm really bored to cook anything. I just want to buy something nice to eat and then go to the gym. So I think I'll just go and buy myself a hot dog because I'm really bored to walk until the other street, and it's like 10 minutes, 15 minutes to get there. So the easiest solution will be a hot dog because I haven't had it like in months, I think now. Like in 1 month, I think the last time I had a hot dog. So I'm just gonna eat 2 hot dogs and go to the gym in about 3 or 4 hours.
2 hours later.
So I just woke up, like slept for 2 hours. Jeez, every single time I eat the hot dogs from that kiosk, my stomach hurts so much. I don't know why I eat them, but they're very nice. But every single time I eat them, my stomach hurts. I wake up with such a pain in my stomach. Anyway, so I've been just sitting for the past 1 hour watching different videos on YouTube, doing nothing because my stomach hurted so much. Anyway, feeling a little bit better right now because I think I need a little bit of caffeine, but feeling a lot better right now because I had my Monster right now, the new one. I don't know if you can see. I don't know what. It's kind of raspberry, I think. Monster. Yeah, I think it's raspberry or something. I don't know, but it's very nice. So, but anyway, I'm gonna train shoulders today. I'm out of pre-workout. By the way, if you're using pre-workouts like for more than 3 or 4 months continuously, yeah, you're not gonna see the same. You're not gonna see the same results every single day. So that's why I cycle my pre-workouts. I usually buy one, then I don't use like for 1 month or 2 months nothing like pre-workouts, then I use it again, because then that's how my body works basically. Because if I use something for a long period of time, it doesn't work, but if I use it a little bit and then stop and then use it again, it works better for me. So that's how I use my supplements usually. Anyway, I'm just gonna go to the gym right now. Yeah, just gonna go and train shoulders. Gonna start the exercise right now because it's currently 8:30 p.m. and I have to go to the gym, come back, edit the vlog and upload it, and then go to sleep. But tomorrow I don't do work, so that's a huge like plus for me, because I can do something nice for the vlog. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna think about it, but I'm gonna try and do it a better vlog for you guys and for me, of course. So anyway, I'm gonna start the workout right now. So I'm gonna eat right now the food that my mom made for me. But before I finish the vlog, I'd like to say a big thank you for all of you for watching my vlogs up until the end, if you have watched up until the end. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys, where no one, but no one, can stop us from achieving our goals. I'll see you guys tomorrow.